Imagine a world where you can transform your ideas into stunning websites without writing a single line of code. That's the magic of web design. It's a blend of creativity and technology, a canvas where art meets functionality. The power of web design lies in its ability to connect people, to share ideas, and to create experiences. And today we delve into the world of Webflow, an incredible tool that makes web design accessible to everyone. Webflow, a name that has become synonymous with intuitive web design, allows you to design, build, and launch responsive websites visually, while the platform writes the code for you in the background. It's a robust platform that's as flexible as you need it to be. The first step to using Webflow is to create an account. It's as simple as visiting their website, clicking on the Get Started button, and filling in your details. Once you've confirmed your email, you're ready to dive in. Now you're in your dashboard. This is where all your projects will live. To create a new project, click on the New Project button. You'll be asked to choose a template. Webflow offers a variety of templates, each fully customizable to suit your unique needs. You can preview them before making a choice. Once you've chosen your template, click on Create Project. Welcome to the Webflow Designer. This is where the magic happens. On the left side, you'll find the Add Elements panel, where you can drag and drop elements onto your page. You can add everything from basic elements like headings and paragraphs to more complex ones like forms and sliders. On the right side, you'll find the Style panel. Here, you can adjust the look and feel of your elements. Play around with colors, fonts, sizes, and more. Remember, every change you make is reflected in real time on your page. Now let's talk about the Navigator. Located at the top left corner, the Navigator gives you a bird's eye view of your website structure. You can move elements around, nest them, and even hide them. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to make it responsive. Webflow's Preview mode allows you to see how a website will look on different devices. If something doesn't look right, simply adjust it in the Designer. Thank you for joining us on this quick overview of the Navigator and Webflow's Preview mode. If you found this helpful, and would like to stay updated with more tips and tricks to improve your web design, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Finally, it's time to publish your website. Click on the Publish button at the top right corner, choose your domain, and voila! Your website is live. With Webflow, the power of web design is at your fingertips. It's a platform that encourages experimentation, that breaks down barriers, and that opens up a world of possibilities. So, for your next web design project, consider Webflow. It's a tool that not only simplifies the process, but also inspires creativity. And remember, in the world of web design, the only limit is your imagination. Thank you so much for sticking with us through this comprehensive guide on mastering Webflow. We hope you've enjoyed the journey as much as we've enjoyed guiding you through it. If you found this video helpful and want more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us, and it's what keeps us going. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and perhaps share it with someone who might benefit from it. Remember, each like, each share, each subscription makes a big difference. Finally, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. We're constantly working on new and exciting content, and we'd hate for you to miss out. See you in the next video.